Hello, I'm Ed Quillen, a retired electronic engineer with over 40 years experience. I worked for Eastman Kodak 22 years and have had my own equipment service business for over 20, repairing, printing, and packaging equipment. I now have been in Florida for 5 years, semi-retired. I've enjoyed the weather in Florida is unbelievable, and I look forward to having a new adventure in setting up a microgreens vertical growing system to provide fresh microgreens to our local restaurants and farmers markets. After looking at hydroponics for growing plants, I settled on microgreens because it takes a very small footprint to have significant health benefits from the nutritional plants that are only 7 to 14 days old. They pack all of the essential nutrition stored in the seed, and from the nutrition that is fed to the seedlings, it is possible to have year-round production in an environmentally controlled greenhouse. With my significant mechanical, electrical skills, I will be able to build a vertical growing system that will produce for many years. I've had many conversations with the community, and I've had very positive response. After successfully growing my own trays of microgreens, I researched to find out the expenses and pricing and gave me significant confidence that this was a very profitable and affordable startup. Tropical Superfoods is the name I've chosen for my company. I do have the URL for Tropical Superfoods. We will be able to pack significant nutritional punch in every order. Our microgreens will contain 4 to 40 times the nutrients of a fully grown plant. As you can see, there are many vitamins and minerals and antioxidants in our microgreens. Researcher Glenn Lester, PhD of the USDA, has quoted that all of these nutrients are extremely important for skin, eyes, fighting cancer, and have all sorts of benefits associated with them. When I grow my microgreens, I will be using organic seeds, organic nutrients, water, which is hydroponics, no chemicals, no pests, sanitary growing conditions, and I can produce these year-round with a climate-controlled greenhouse. Vertical growing yields more plants per square foot. This gives me the ability to start small and scale up. This small footprint allows me to grow enough to supply a few restaurants and farmers market. My goal is to get to $1,000 per week and then scale up. I plan to give the restaurants the choice of packing the greens or delivering full trays of microgreens that they can cut at the time of serving. This will give them the freshest greens in town. I am surrounded by many farmers markets. I plan on setting up 2 per week to start. The uses of microgreens include sandwiches, salads, smoothies, fish, garnish on many dishes that the chefs prepare. I'm asking to raise $6,000 to cover the building of the growing space, operating equipment, trays, lights, shelves, fans, scale, totes, drying rack, cooler, tables, signs, and consumables. Look forward to starting this project as soon as possible. Have a great day.